So here we go. I'm going to do a longer video on this one later. This is the spare left-hand tank I have for the questionable quality MST kit. I've tried, basically what I did was I shrunk down the plate that they have on the bottom. I built this out of Felpro fuel gasket. This is if you're making a custom fuel cell for your race car, this is what you would use to seal the pump in place. This was the Viton, well, I don't know if it's Viton or not, but it's a very, very hard rubber gasket that they had on there. That failed miserably. And I've actually used Viton A and a product called Moto Seal from a company called Permatex. It is fuel safe. It didn't work. So I'm gonna try with the help of another company to get this figured out. I don't know if I'm gonna race with this kit on. I don't until I get to the point where I trust it, where I can go beat the living shit out of it. I'm not gonna sell it to anybody or anything like that. This kit, talking to a couple other people that have bought this kit, they're having the same issues. So be forewarned, you're gonna have fuel pump issues if you buy one of these kits. That said, we have a new project coming, and there's the box. This is the very, very first things that you can see. Unfortunately, the way the stickers were, it's Moto Minded out of United States. They've sent me up one of their kits that we purchased. We're now a dealer for Moto Minded here at Moto Motion. Latest version of the 450RR windshield, if that gives you an idea. The next kit we're doing is not for a Honda. So the Honda kits are great. We'll go through this box a little bit later when I start the video series for that bike. Stay tuned, kids.